That long? Yeah.
Hammer down your tents and get ready for an unforgettable night adventure at Zoo Miami.
This weekend's event is called Roars, Snores, and S'mores. And obviously what it is that people get to spend a night at the zoo. That's the snore part. The s'mores part is that we treat it like a camping event so that people get to have fun and camp. And then the roars part is that the campers, who are usually young children and their families and their parents, go out into the zoo in the evening with flashlights when most of our animals are nocturnal.
The event allows families to sleep at the zoo and take a night tour of the park to see all the nocturnal animals and connect with them.
And when we see children and adults, for that matter, walk through the zoo and make that connection with an animal and really understand the importance of protecting those animals for the own benefit of humans too, we feel that that's the connection that's important that gets made at these events.
This fun event took place on November 9th, and the campers got to experience Zoo Miami themed Jeopardy, crafts, and hands-on nature lessons that bring the wild to life. But the real crowd pleaser, without a doubt, is the s'mores and stories, where the fun never melts away.
We get to eat like 7 s'mores because we already ate 7.
Participants also get VIP access to a flashlight tram tour of the zoo's nocturnal residents.
So that's when they really get to experience the wonder of the wild out here.
This event is for all ages, and for many families, this is their first camping trip together.
I have not gone camping. This is my second time. Yes, this is my first time.
This event not only offers a one-of-a-kind adventure, but it also supports Zoo Miami's conservation efforts. This is a great and unique event that engages our community, all for a good cause.
I think that's the big advantage of coming to a zoo, is that you get to look into these windows into the natural world that hopefully inspires this passion for it. There's that old saying that says, in the end, you protect what you love what you understand, and you understand what you're taught. The goal of the zoo is to teach people to love these animals, to want to care for them.
The next Roars, Snores, and S'mores at Zoo Miami event will be taking place in the spring. Check out their website for more information.
Thanks for camping out with us. For OLA TV, I'm Nyla Bushro.